Before I started with the Dr. Leeman in the nasal surgery, I had apnea and snored, didn't get good nights of sleep, anything like that. Post-surgery, I can breathe clearly through both nostrils. Even if I'm a little stuffy, I can still get a good breath. I don't snore, and I have not had any apneic events at all. So it's been an awesome experience, great thing.